I learn at St Rupert Mayer Primary School. I am in grade 6. I learn at St Rupert. I am grade 5. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor so that I can cure people who are mentally challenged and have damaged brain cells. When I grow up, I want to be a musician. Thank you.
St Rupert's Primary was established in 1965. At present moment, we have an enrollment of 428, of which 60% of that 428 is female. Then we have the rest is male. These people, some of them, they work for over 7 Ks, because we have learners coming from Goredema, that far village, so they walk around 5 Ks. So sometimes when the child is getting late or is coming late every day, the teacher has to find out about the background. We have started a fish farming project at this school. These 3 fish ponds can accommodate about 3,000 fish. So it is our hope that at least we are going to have some way to support us run the school. The project that we are having right now, the fish farming, we are going to employ one ancillary staff who look after that fish pond. As a school, if we start it as an aquaponics project, I think that would be very helpful, because the learner will have the hands-on approach, so that whenever is out of school in future, he will be able to be helped by such knowledge. This is our computer lab. As you can see, with not even a single computer. It is our hope that one day we have the computers laid or connected in this computer lab. We are facing challenges with learners who are involved in color, that's continuous assessment learning assignments. When they have such a kind of color to be done, because in this area we do not have many people having even a phone. So if we had computers at school, that would be very much helpful to our learners.